All right, so we're gonna be replacing the PCV valve right here. You're gonna follow that. Once you follow this guy, you'll find your PCV valve. Wow, that is bright. Hold on. So we're gonna need some hose clamps, pliers, there you go, that's the word. And of course, a new PCV. We're gonna be replacing that guy, burning some oil. Hopefully that will solve the problem. And okay, let's get into it. All right, so I need to do this with both hands. So I put you guys on a tripod. So I'm gonna try to get a better look at those. The hose clamp down here. Ah, you guys are falling. Hold on. Let me just get that hose clamp off. So you got the hose clamp off. Now what you want to do is gently try to take it off by hand. And if it doesn't want to take off by hand, you can grab the same pliers and just kind of rotate it a little bit. Not too much because you don't want to destroy this. It's already weak enough as it is. Okay, hold on. Right, so the reason I'm changing the PCV valve, and the reason you can see there, is because this thing is burning oil. Instead of, using the pressure to just, recycle the same oil, it is now just burning it and eating it up. That's what the new PCV valve is for. You can try cleaning it, but these are very cheap, so you might as well buy a new one. And just like in this Accord, it's very simple location. I think in some of the Elements or even other different Accords, they're a little bit lower, but still easy to get to. So yeah, just replace it. It's a 17. I need to go get my 17 mil and get that one off, put this one on. So I'm trying to have you guys see. So the thing keeps falling over. Basically, you just want to put this in there. Just loosen it up. Okay. You can loosen it up by hand the rest of the way. This should not have oil, by the way. That is a bad sign that your car is burning oil, and it's a simple and very cheap fix. Okay. So you don't want to lose this crusher washer. If you have any extra crusher washers, you might as well replace it now. I do. Mine's an oil one, but you guys can see right here, that is disgustingly full of oil and it's all burnt up. This is brand new. Super clean. They say if it rattles, it's bad, but they both rattle, so that's not a case. So let's go find this guy a new crush washer, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got this copper crush washer that is meant for oil. Now you just want to screw this guy back in by hand so you don't thread it. Grab your 17. When it starts to get a little stiff and still by hand, just start to slightly tighten it. And it doesn't need much to be tight, so grab your ratchet again. Until it feels snug, it doesn't have to be super tight. See, I'm putting little to no pressure. Just a little bit more. You want to know those specific torque specs, watch Chris Fix. That keeps falling over. Anyway, now you put your hose back on, put your clamps back on. The clamp is the hardest part because it just never wants to go back in, even though you just took it out of there. Okay, come on. Okay, snug. And that is how we replace a PCV valve. On a 2003 Honda Accord, you take off the valve cover plastic part. It's right there. I mean, you don't have to take it off, but just a little bit better access. So yeah, you just want to follow this guy down over. If your intake is disgusting like this one is, it's probably because your PCV valve is clogged like that one is. Yep. All right, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.